What is good, people? Welcome back to another video. Now, if you have not seen the title or thumbnail right now, this is one of the most anticipated videos I've wanted to make since I've bought the Mark II Golf. Mark II Golf is my project car. I wanted to something that I could kind of build from scratch that has not had too much work done to it. Since we bought it, we've done quite a lot. Got it through its MOT, done lots of mechanical work, bit of modifications here and there, and this is one of the biggest modifications we will do to the car. We have a genuine BBS body kit for a Mark II Golf. This kit made by the same company that obviously make the wheels, BBS. For those of you that don't know, they also make seats and many other parts, not just wheels. This kit itself consists of a front bumper, all four arches, side skirts, and then obviously your rear bumper, just to give it a bit more of an aggressive look. There we go, 1987. Wow. Made in Germany, and the kit itself is plastic. So what we're going to do is wheel the car back in, test fit the kit, see what it looks like, take some cinematics, and I'm going to get massively excited. This kit is unreal. I've just done some measurements. It's about 20mm wider, which means with the Lincolns, let's put the Lincolns next to it. Compose myself. So I think my neighbours are in, I don't want to be screaming. That looks phenomenal. Obviously I can't fit the front bumper too much because we've got like this lip that goes behind the bumper, and because I've reversed I've got no clearance to tuck it under, but it just gives you an idea of what the kit's going to look like. From here you're going to get a lot more width, a bit more aggression from the front and the back. Yeah, I'm sold. I'm glad I bought this. Got a little bit more clearance on the back as well. So that's where obviously the standard arch is. This is where this one ends. So I think the rears are probably 35mm or so. So again, we'll need to roll the arch, bend it back on itself, and maybe just shave some down, just so we can get some good fitment. That looks phenomenal. The back I wasn't too sold on, but now I fitted it, I quite like it. And this is what the small bumper, to me, is why it lags behind the big bumper. Is the strip looks lovely, but it just doesn't have any shape, no aggression. It looks soft, and that is what I'm talking about. Looks like we have to get in touch with the painter and let him know we've got the kit, and we'll have to get it painted sometime before sort of Christmas time, and then at the back end of Christmas coming into the new year the bodywork should be all sorted, and then I can be tackling wheels, interior. A pillar's done, B pillars are now done, look lovely. I just need to source these covers and then the adjuster just there. We've got obviously the center console, the VW up one with the cup holder modification. We've then just done the center console section just around the gear knob, and we're just kind of slowly chipping our way around doing everything in the interior. We've got sort of 5 months until this car, hopefully we can kind of put it on show and shine and stuff like that. But let's look at the kit. Let's look at the kit once more. It's 30mm from the inner lip to the outer lip of the arse. So probably you're talking 28mm, somewhere around there. Front is about 25mm. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you excited for this build now? Now when I said trust the process, are you starting to see the vision? So we've got the interior plans already set. We've got them seats going in, or those seats, whichever one. Wheels already done, just need to buy tyres, get them refurbished. Brakes are being powder coated as we speak. The front ones are being done. We've got the 280s to go on. Bumpers, we need the front bumper. We need a red stripe front. Oh my god, this is gonna look unreal. What we're going to do, start trimming stuff up. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, what do we think? Oh my god. Now, it's not perfect, granted, but honestly, I don't care too much because the interior is slowly making its way. I can't believe how well that's turned out. And this is the whole point, is to go too much. And I think one thing that also caught my eyes, watch when the boot's closed. Oh, you just see everything. That is beautiful. I wanted to show you the sun visor as well. So we just did a quick design at the minute. I think I want to redo it, but just gives you an idea of how it's all going to turn out. Just done this bit as well. And it's slowly making its way. I can't believe it. Just look at that, just through the back. Oh my God. So proud. And I think it's good to always improve on yourself as well. So with the Golf Estate, we did all of the pillars, lower trims, blah blah blah, but we definitely didn't do the parcel shelf. How into the trim we're going to do with this is going to completely blow the Mark III out. Like every single piece in the interior, I want either tweed or leaving it black to break up the colour. Even considering changing the seat belts to grey, but I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this bit. So obviously it's going to be rubbing and getting dirty and stuff. So trim as well, boot trim, not too shabby. So I can't believe it. I say this every time we make progress, especially a big interior, I always sit back and go, wow, I actually did that. It's crazy. Absolutely nuts. Do you know, seeing the interior slowly come together makes me so excited to get these seats done. Because these are going to make an absolutely massive difference. As not only just for visuals, actually driving the car, because we've got worn out Mark II GTI seats at the minute, and then we're going to go to some freshly bolstered Recaros. So these are obviously going to be more supportive. They're going to look the part, and the recliner section is not going to hit the cup holder. So all around, much better visually and just by the feel of them. Rear seats, guys. I've seen very few Mark II Golfs running Corrado rear seats. Obviously it will then make it a 4-seater, and obviously it will need custom brackets welding in and stuff like that. The other issue is the Corrado seat is a lot more narrow, which means there's going to be big gaps on either side. Now I've already been thinking about it today of how I'm going to tackle it. I can make like a frame on the back of the seat and then connect the foam to that, and then extend the foam section, so it would just be like a sort of insert which is going to be sort of that thick to take up the space from the seat to the door card. That will attach to the seat, so if I ever fold it or move it out of the way, it goes with it. Obviously there will be retrim, so they'll look nice, but I don't know. What do you think I should do, guys? Do you think I should trim these or go with the Corrado? They look phenomenal with the Corrado seats, just because they're a little bit more of a sportier look. And to be honest with you, even with the Estate, the 4 years I've had it, I don't think I had many people in the back anyway. So do I really need the extra seat? Probably not. Wanted to quickly show you guys a blast from the past. A headliner. I ain't done a headliner in absolutely ages. I want to say, if it's even this year, it'd have been at the start of the year. Wow, long time. So I've just wrapped a VW Vento headliner sunroof model, as you can see. If you guys are watching this and you're interested in buying this, let me know in the link in the description, because I've got a feeling this might be sat for a little bit. This video probably won't go out until couple of weeks after, maybe three weeks. So if it's not sold, just message me. If not, I can always whip one up for you guys. I've got 2 headliners in the garage directly where I open the door to get out of the car, and I was just kind of looking in the garage and looking at places of what I can sell to kind of clear up some space, and I just looked at the headline. I was like, oh, F it, I'll just do it. I had some suede that I ordered ages ago. I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be black, but either way I think it's turned out really well. Looks really nice. I've got a Golf Estate one to do next, and then that's pretty much all I've got left. So yeah, I thought I'd quickly show you guys. I didn't feel like it was necessary to do a whole vlog of it, but I'm not going to tell you right now because I'm still in the planning phase. But I'm going to be giving away the short shifter, and I might possibly give the debadged one away. The one that, in fact no, the one that's on the car. That one's a good one. I might give this one away. So debadged, no stripe or anything like that. I might give away some other bits, some Mark III parts, etc. So if you guys are interested, put down in the comments below, because at some point on my Instagram, make sure you're following P7 Customs, I will announce some form of giveaway related to this bit of news that I have for you guys. So make sure you stick around, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and hopefully your robe doesn't get stuck on your wing mirror. Anyway, I will see you next week for another video. Peace.